In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI in Telegram Premium. First, make sure you're signed into your Telegram account on your phone or desktop. If you're new to Telegram, just open the app and confirm you're on the main chat screen so you can easily find and start a conversation. Having a stable internet connection will also help everything load quickly. Next, use the search bar at the top of Telegram and type the word Grok. You'll see a list of results appear. Look for the official Grok bot entry and tap or click it to open the chat. If you're unsure which one is legitimate, check for verification indicators, read the short description, and avoid third-party copies that don't clearly identify themselves. Once you're in the Grok chat, start the conversation by sending the word START. You can type it yourself or tap the Start button that appears at the bottom of the chat window. This action initializes the bot and lets it know you're ready to interact. If the chat responds with a welcome message, you're in the right place. At this point, you may see a notice that Grok is only available to Telegram Premium subscribers. That's expected. Access is limited to users with an active Telegram Premium subscription. If your account already has Premium, you should be able to proceed right away. If not, Telegram will let you know that you need Premium before you can use Grok in the app. Once your account is Premium and the chat is active, feel free to use Grok on Telegram as you would any AI assistant. Type your question or request in plain language and send it. You can ask for explanations, summaries, idea generation, or help drafting messages. For clearer results, be specific about what you want, include relevant context, and mention your preferred format, like a short paragraph or a quick list of key points. If the reply isn't quite right, follow up with a brief correction or ask Grok to refine its answer. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Don't share personal or sensitive information in the chat. If you're working on something long, consider saving important outputs as you go. You can also adjust your chat notifications if you prefer, fewer alerts while using the bot. That's all you need. Open Telegram, search for Grok, start the chat, and if you have Telegram Premium, you're ready to go. Enjoy exploring what Grok can do for you right inside Telegram.